तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं।
3, 2, 1
देख तो सही वो कितना एक्साइटेड है ट्रेन आने के लिए, मतलब
He's not excited, he's actually surprised कि भाई ट्रेन आई तो प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं तो कहा है कि भाई ट्रेन तो उधर खड़ा है उसके लिए।
and look at that guy behind him, he's trying to give him a high five but Varun is like no please, I'm just here for the baggage man.
Give my bag a high five, sorry, no touching, hashtag COVID bitch।
अगर मैं तू पे आ गया ना आपकी थू हो जाएगी।
ये चल रहा कूली।
मतलब मैं just waiting to say मतलब इतने कूली साथ में कहाँ खड़े रहते हैं, मैंने आज तक लाइफ में नहीं देखे।
Just trying to figure out like इतने कूली, पहली बात तो एक स्टेशन पे वो भी एक ही जगह पे खड़े रहेंगे, किसी और का कुछ काम नहीं करेगा, they just wait for Varun Dhawan to get fucking kicked by somebody and they'll be like so Rosario has offended the Pandit and Pandit just goes to Varun Dhawan to get him married to Rosario's daughter.
And he is so stupid, मतलब उसने बोला पंडित ने कि करा देगा वो शादी, उसने मान लिया, मतलब कभी मिला नहीं है वो लड़की को, and he started dancing, तेरी भाभी खड़ी है
And like all the coolies in the world live with Varun Dhawan, they're just right there. I can't find one coolie when I go to the train, like go to the station, and then there's all the coolies in the world, like completely flooded with coolies. I can't even find passengers.
पैसेंजर्स किधर है, मतलब पूरा प्लेटफॉर्म भरा हुआ है। Dude, 2 seconds ago ट्रेन आने वाली तो वो भरने वाला था और वो बंदा उसको लेके गया and now they all dancing on the track, मतलब इतने पैसेंजर्स आ कहाँ से गए suddenly and they literally dancing on the track now, अभी नहीं मरेंगे क्या ये लोग?
मर जाता तो
मिसअंडरस्टूड है, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग इज नॉट अ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग अंडर बट अंडरस्टैंडिंग मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग। कुछ समझ में नहीं आया बट फनी।
Didn't make sense but funny. इन लोग ने पूरा मूवी का स्टोरी नहीं दे दिया?
स्टोरी नहीं, सॉरी रिव्यू ना।
Review में भी, but should it be called funny?
I don't think so।
ये तू कौन है?
मैं तिथि, तू?
मैं वेदांत। वरुण क्या है?
कौन है वो?
मैं फनी हूँ।
So even in the movie they had to remind Varun Dhawan to stop overacting.
बस अभी राजू खेल अभी ओवर एक्टिंग मत कर, खेल। गोल कौन बोला है?
मैं बोली।
तुम्हारी आवाज को क्या हो गया?
कल रात को ना मैं फिल्म देख रही थी, अमिताभ बच्चन की। हाँ, भारी फिल्म थी।
ओके, मतलब उसने कोई भारी फिल्म देखी, ओके? देखी, प्लीज एम्फसाइज ऑन द वर्ड देखी।
तो मेरी आवाज भी भारी हो गई।
और उसकी आवाज भारी हो गई।
Yeah, I was just thinking, man, what if we saw this movie and stopped making sense?
I think you already did।
समझ में नहीं आया but funny।
So obviously we guessed the part where he was just gonna fall off the window, right?
Obviously, yeah। अबे लैडर कहाँ गई?
अबे पानी कहाँ से आ गया बता? Then again, you know, remember the last dialogue we said, if we watch this movie, we won't make sense.
Hey।
In case you forgot, Javed Jaffrey will remind you that Varun Dhawan does not forget to overact.
धीरे-धीरे ओवर एक्टिंग कर, आवाज अंदर न पहुंचे।
Remember the scenes from Ravan or Robot where they were just running faster than the train? Yeah, we don't need those advancements anymore. We can all be Varun Dhawan, you know.
And like these coolies have no fucking job, right? मतलब जहाँ मिले, मतलब वरुण कुछ भी करे थे, just waiting like, oh my god, वरुण just lifted a bag, he's a coolie, he's lifting a bag,
So I was pretty confused about what people do on their honeymoon, and this movie cleared a lot of my doubts. They dance. So let's get this straight. This guy has been accused of murder of the somewhat richest man, and he walks into the hospital like a nurse, dangling his booty and whatnot, and he's singing the weirdest song ever. What kind of song is that, guys? No. Nah. I thought they would be serious now, but yeah. Who cares? Somebody dies, huh? What the fuck? Now I fucking understand why I can't find a coolie on the station, because all of them went to save.
Varun Dhawan's white dad.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. You're right.
But उन लोगों को पता कैसे चला कि वो लोग
But सब कुली सेम जगह पे कैसे पूछे? How do they know where Varun Dhawan is at that moment? Do they have a tracker on him?
तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं.
So, honest review time.
So the movie was very layered, and no, I cannot do this. It was
समझ में नहीं आया but funny.
it was not a movie. It was just, I don't have words. I'm speechless right now. It was that bad. It had no logic whatsoever, and I know that we made a tagline that the
tagline was doesn't make sense, right?
Yeah, right. So when we decided that, like in the scene before where Sarah said that,
भारी फिल्म थी तो मेरी आवाज भी भारी हो गई.
मैं हम लोग ने ये मूवी देखी है, हमारे सेंस भी चली गई. Yeah, we predicted it. We were right. We were so right. And we are gonna highlight out one scene that was particularly funny.
तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं.
So we have the thermometer, which is bad, watchable, somewhat good, pretty great. So on this
Well, on the
Okay.
thermometer.
of thermometer,
Let's go for
we
number
are
one.
gonna go. Yeah! Seriously, I mean, if you have anything better to do, like anything,
Yeah.
you should do that. You should.
Seriously.
Listen to
Yeah.
me, you should do that.
Well,
So
please
that's
like,
about-
share, and follow Movie and Logic.
Hey, there goes Varun Dhawan.
तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं, तुझको मिर्ची लगी